Song Gardener here. A little tutorial on how I'm pruning my pear tree here. Actually, we've been at it for about 3 years, but we're really finally making headway. You can see up here at the top, it's really high, and there's a lot of pears. Check out all the pears in there. I don't know if you can see them here, but there's a lot of pears. And anyway, so the top there, that bad hair day you see up on top, is the suckers for this year's growth. And of course the suckers come out to photosynthesize and give the tree energy to keep growing. We don't want the tree to grow anymore. We're just really wanting it to get a little smaller so it's easier to harvest. So we're breaking off all the suckers, cutting them off, pruning up all the branches, thinning out. I probably thinned out half of the fruit this year. And so we're just really managing the size of this pear tree so that it stays good in the footprint that it has here at the croft. And all of the prunings that we take from that tree, well, the scratch for the chickens isn't part of that deal, but basically all these prunings in this wheelbarrow become forage for the goats. So our goats will be turning pear tree into chev cheese here in a day or two. And I look forward to having you come over and see the classes we offer over at RavenCroft Garden. You can find us at eaglesong-gardener.com. We look forward to seeing you down the road. Eagle Song signing off from RavenCroft Garden.